A guy is coming from the shop before the boy was found lifeless under one of the computer desks. The shop owner claims to have no knowledge of the child's presence of the cause of his injuries. Authorities are now investigating. Huwag kang pumalakpak! Nakakalahati ko na palakpak ka ng palakpak dyan. Tinatawanan ka niya, be. Pasilip-silip mo. Natang ka naman. The child cause that is yet determined and insurance autopsy. This is at times the identity of boy. Authorities have been unable to locate guardians. The business shop has been shut down temporarily for further investigation. Several stalls have come forward with reports of strange occurrences at the location of our research of the expense sounds in the it always ano ba ang hirap naman basahin, but anyways, okay na. Ay, put